guys, so we made our delivery this morning in South Carolina. Forgot where we went. Got that delivered first thing this morning, and then we drove over to Charlotte, which is where we're at now. We're at a Caterpillar dealership, which is also an Omnitrax service location. So we are here having the new Qualcomm put in. Got here a little bit earlier than our original scheduled time, so they were able to take us right in. And he said that he wasn't sure they had one of the new ones in stock, so I'm hoping he found one or FedEx overnighted one or something. He hasn't come back up here and said anything, so hopefully everything's going smoothly. But yeah, we're just chilling in the waiting room, sitting here. I'm getting some editing done. Got that going on. Don's over here chilling on the iPad, watching his shows, getting caught up on some stuff. He's looking at me like, why are you filming me? So yeah, I'm getting ready to upload a video to YouTube, and then I will probably start watching some of my shows and get caught up on some things. Yeah, other than that, we're just sitting around chilling and just waiting. So I'll check in with you a little bit later. Hopefully we get the new Qualcomm installed. Keep your fingers crossed. Good morning, everybody. Today we are getting ready to head out and go to our next pickup. We got everything done over at the...
Oh, sorry.
Hi. Hi. We got everything up, blah, blah, blah. We got everything done with the Qualcomm. It's frozen.
It's not slurping.
Fridge is working good. So we got everything done with the Qualcomm. We did get the new unit installed. Yay! It's much smaller. Let me dim out my screen here so you can't see anything on it. But that is the new unit. It is much smaller in size than the MCP 200. Everything is contained in this one unit. As you can see here, it runs off the Verizon wireless network. So yeah, it's
We'll see.
So yeah, we'll see. You know, we've already ran into some issues where we didn't have much service. So we'll see how it goes. Right now we're in Virginia near Wytheville, and we've only got 1X, which, as you know, on Verizon, that is pretty much voice. It's no data. I mean, data works on 1X. It's just very slow. So whenever we are sending messages back and forth with FedEx, they're coming and going out very, very slowly. But we'll see how it goes. You know, it's got to be better than the other unit we had, because I was so tired of that little black box burning out. But anyway, I got up early this morning. We were on our way to our next pickup after we left there in Charlotte. We had to pick up in Ohio. Pretty big deadhead. But it was a really good run going all the way out to California, paying very well. And we got all the way to Virginia and got the message that the customer was canceling. It happens. It sucks. It really does suck. But you just got to deal with it and roll with the punches. So yeah, we stopped off right away. We were right here, some truck stops, so we just stopped here. And right after we stopped, probably weren't even here more than 10 minutes, they sent us a load offer. So that is what we counted on, because it wasn't paying quite enough. But they come back with our counter, so we got it. And that is what we are getting ready to go pick up today. So let me give you the details of this. Well, first I wanted to tell you, I did wake up early this morning at like 6 o'clock. We went over to Speedco. I got the PM service done on the truck. I thought I had that recording, but I didn't turn my camera on. I thought I turned it on, but I didn't hit the button right. So, sorry. Anyway, got the PM service done, got the generator service done, and then we just had breakfast at Denny's. So now we are getting ready to head out here and go make this pickup. So, this run is going from Kentucky to Nevada. This is going to be a 384 mile deadhead for a 2,105 mile run. We don't know the pieces and weight just yet. They sent the offer over. It was 00. We'll find out once we get there. But this is going to be a temperature validated run with a temperature range of 2 to 8 Celsius with a set point of 5 Celsius. So yeah, just got up, trying to be productive, got some things taken care of that we needed to do. Definitely wanted to get the oil change done. We were right at our oil change mark, so wanted to get that done before we head out on a long trip. So I got everything taken care of, and got my tummy full, got my coffee. I'm good to go. So I'm going to get on the road here. Got some deadhead to do. We're going to get to Kentucky, make this pickup this evening I should say, and then we will be on the road going to Nevada. We delivered this for Friday, so haven't got a backup just yet, but we are looking, so we'll see what happens. Check in with you a little bit later.
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you were lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go. With the music still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears. In this dream of your own desire, there is someone calling your name. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, gotta let go. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go. To believe you gotta let go. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
So we made our last delivery over in Nevada. We did that on Friday afternoon, and then we didn't have anything lined up, so we went inside to the truck stop, got a shower, did a little bit of gambling. We all know that's our favorite pastime. But we only played for like an hour, and then we got dispatched. So we actually got an offer picking up in California going to Connecticut, and it picked up right away. So we got everything together. I took off. Don went to sleep, and it was about a 240 mile deadhead, and I got about 45 miles away from pickup, and they called me and said that the load was canceling. Bummer. Anyway, so I went ahead, and I was already over in California. Went ahead and went to the closest truck stop, shut it down for the night. And we woke up this morning, today's Saturday, and we woke up this morning to an offer, and this is actually picking up in Nevada and going to Illinois. So the thing with this one, though, is this is a rescue load. I've been driving all day. This was a 510 mile deadhead for a 1,600 mile run, 1,700 mile run, something like that. I didn't want to say anything earlier just because I don't really like talking too much until I know I've got the load on the truck. There's always a possibility that it could fall through. They get the truck fixed or whatever's going on. But I've pretty much done all the deadhead. I just stopped to do a 30-minute break. And I think we're less than 100 miles away. I just spoke to the other driver. They're not going anywhere. It's a van that broke down. This is what they call a B load. So it's just a van unit. It's 2 small boxes, so nothing heavy or anything like that. But yeah, they're sitting there waiting on us. So I told them we're less than 100 miles away. And once we get there and pick that up, then we will be on our way on over to Illinois. So this is, like I said, 2 pieces. It's like 30 pounds, and it is temperature, it is temperature. It is not validated. The temperature range is 36 to 46 Fahrenheit. So, like I said, we woke up first thing this morning, had the offer, spoke to dispatch, and they told me all the details, and we got on the road right away and headed to picking this up. So now we just got to make the pickup and then get on over to Illinois. Nice weekend run, you know, gets us out of a kind of an iffy area and gets us back east. We've already been looking for something else. Haven't found anything just yet. But we are on the load board and looking. Like I said, I'm just going to finish up my break here and get back on the road and make this pickup and then get on over to Illinois for a Monday morning delivery. Hey everybody, so yeah, we got everything wrapped up, made our delivery in Illinois. From there, we went ahead and headed over to a truck stop, got some rest, did some laundry, and just wrapped things up. So, not a whole lot going on. We are dispatched, so we are actually heading out to get our next run now. I'll tell you all about the next run on the next vlog. But yeah, we just got caught up on some rest today after we delivered. Did our laundry, did some things we had to do, and then now we're back on the road. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We really do appreciate it. As always, if you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down. If your feelings are more complicated than that, leave a comment. I love reading all you guys' feedback. Love talking to you guys. So, as always, keep those wheels a-turning, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.